welcome to my channel. So, long time no see mga Mima. And for today's video nga po, ayun. So, wala tayong upload last day. We don't have any upload here our channel. So, I miss you guys. Please like our video. And for today's ngani, as usual, we're here. Before we going to Sleeping Beauty. Ayun, mga Mima. So, guys, sobrang pagod. As you can see, being a mom, not easy, ano ba yun? Pressure. Ganon, all around, ganon. So, this coming August, papasok na tayo. So, lalo na tayo magiging busy niyan mga min. Ako, mga Mima. Easy, yeah. Look at my hair. It's so messy here. Did you miss me, guys? Did you miss me, guys?